What happened in 1972? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And I guess I need to be a little bit more precise. What happened in 1972 in Berlin? Because if the question is otherwise open-ended, you may say the Olympic Games in Munich, which would be correct. So what happened in 1972 in Berlin? The first Döner was sold. Kadir Nurman sold the first Döner at the railroad station Bahnhof Zoo. And the discussion is now whether it's really the first one or one of the first ones. However, the Döner place opened by Kadir Nurman is the first one who sold it in a big style, in a big scale, and who made a living out of the Döner. Berlin in the year 1972, 50 years ago, was a melting pot. It was a melting pot from people who came over from West Germany to see the isolated situation of Berlin West. It is a location where people who did not want to go draft, who felt that this is a place to do revolution or to dream a revolution, as well as workers from Turkey, all mingled together in this great melting pot of Berlin, Berlin-Kreuzberg. Why is it newsworthy here for my morning musing? It is for two reasons. Number one, it shows that if you have an idea and you have an idea in a niche market, it can be like a Döner sold all over Germany, sold in many parts of Europe. It is all over the world now being in everybody's mind. So if you have an idea, execute on it. That's my number one idea. Number two, don't feel that because it is a cultural niche, that it's not liked outside of your core audience. Döner was successful for its taste, for its freshness, and also for the cheerful attitude of the Döner store operator who gave you the Döner with a smile, some extra attention. The love for the consumer is always there when you go to buy a Döner. So the second takeaway is the cultural niche could be your cultural opportunity. So if you are running a global company for those two reasons, I believe the current century is even more attractive than 50 years ago in 1972 globalization was. So for you as a business owner, what is your niche? What is your special smile? What is your effect on customers? What is your way of treating the customers to make them feel welcome? And also, do you have an innovation which is healthy, good tasting, and just in the right price range? Those who don't like the cheap Döner, rest assured, Döner is right now a luxury product. The Hotel Adlon, top-notch hotel in Berlin, is now selling a Döner for more than 10 times what the regular Döner would be. Over 26 euros for one Döner. Well, it has some truffle cream on it and some other things. But this is, for me, the example that imagination is limitless. And if you want to upgrade something, there's always a chance for an upgrade.